welcome to our live show on Alibaba. I'm Jessica, the sales manager from Shenyang AERTI. Shenyang AERTI is a professional manufacturer for oxygen concentrator. Our quality is ranking among the top level in China. And today I will introduce our best seller AE Series oxygen concentrator to you. And before my introduction, please take out it. Please watch your screen. On the top there is follow button. You can click the follow. 这样可以。
放这边儿。
对。
对吧？又有点放机器前面。OK。
Okay, click follow button to follow us. And at the bottom of the screen there is a streamer. You can leave message. You can leave message here. And also you can get our catalog here. And also you can like us by click here. Okay, AE Series, we have exported the machine for more than 7 years. It is a classic model and with very stable performance. And for AE Series, we have 3 liter, 5 liter, 8 liter, and 10 liter machine. And their appearance is almost the same, except the flow meter scale. You can see the flow meter here, the scale here. This one is a 5 liter model. So here you can see the maxi flow is 5. And we also have 8 and 10 liter. So this one, okay. This one is with 10 scale. And you can see there are 2 colors, dark gray and creamy color. So we have 2 colors you can choose from. Okay, let's see the labels. Here is the logo, our AERTI logo. And the warnings printed on the. Before you use the machine, you need to read carefully for the warnings. And here is a model label. This one is AE5S. And also on the back, there is parameter label and also the product code label. Here, some information for the oxygen, electrical, sound level, and purity, etc. And all these levels we can do OEM. The MOQ is 200 units. Okay, let's look at the panel again. Here is the oxygen outlet, and this interface is for SPO2. And this is the pump switch, and this is flow meter, and this one is for nebulizer. And here is the keys, a small screen, and also indicator lights, which show for green means the machine is running well. For the red light, it means alarm. Okay, for A series, it has some basic function like power failure alarm, overheat alarm, low purity alarm, timing, and also maintenance prompt. And there are also many other optional functions like SpO2, nebulizer, high and low pressure alarm, and also dual port. Dual port, like this one, means it has 2 flow meter, 2 oxygen outlets. So it can use by 2 persons at the same time. And for this 5 liter, the noise level is only 36 dB. It is it is one of the features of our machine. To summarize, our machine's features include low noise level and multi-functions, as I introduced, like nebulizer, SpO2, dual port, etc. And the machine's performance is very stable, and it also has very low failure rate. So these are the machine's features. And for A series oxygen concentrator, we have some standard accessories. So this is user manual. The power line and nasal cannula. Oxygen connecting tube. Humidifier bottle. A inlet filter cotton. And 高效回复。And this one, high efficient filter. So these are the standard accessories. And for the machine, which has optional functions, it has nebulizer kit.
往上点。
This one. And SpO2 sensor. This可以查。有中国表。 Okay, next I'll show how to operate the concentrator. So this is a power line connected to the socket on the back. And for the power plug, we have many kinds of power plug which is suitable for you to choose. This is a picture for the plugs. You just tell us what kind of power plug you need. Then we will provide it to you. So you can use the machine in your country. And this is for European standard plug. And this is for UK and US standard plug, and so on. Okay, now we inserted the plug, and here is our switch. Okay, turn on the power switch, the machine is working. And this light means the machine is working well. The humidifier bottle, we put some water inside. Okay, you see the minimum line and the maximum line. The water should be between the minimum and maximum line. And back at the position for the humidifier bottle. You can take out the needle cannula. And this is the oxygen connect tubing connected to this oxygen outlet. And this one on the humidifier bottle. Connected nasal cannula here. And then can take the oxygen. Okay, pay attention to the flow meter. Before you use a machine, you need to consult with your doctor first, and then he will give you prescription for how many liters and how long time you need to use this machine. Please strictly follow your doctor's advice. It's very important. So for people which is not serious with serious disease, the 3 or 2 liter is fine. And respiratory disease, which will affect our oxygen level and make it drop to a dangerous level. So we need to undergo what we call oxygen therapy. And for oxygen therapy, the most efficient liter is for 5, 8, and 10 liters. So these are the best seller for the patient with respiratory disease.
Share一下。密封一下好。
And for patient with respiratory disease, this SQ2 function is especially very important because you need to pay attention to your oxygen level of your body. So you need oximeter, and you need to know your SQ2 data, which is very important. So it will indicate if your oxygen therapy is efficient or not. And this is our SQ2 sensor. And you see here some details I want to tell you. There is a bulge here. Okay, so you need to anchor to the slot here. So it easily can be inserted. And put your finger keep your arms stable and wait for a few seconds. Here it shows the data. And this is for SQ2 function. Okay, next one is for nebulizer. And here is our nebulizer kit. Okay, there is spill. Max is for 8 ml. Okay, put mention the photo. First, you need to adjust the flow meter to 0. Then you can use the nebulizer function. Just loose. Okay, try here. Have the nebulizer connector, right? And connect with the tube. And here, let's see the air come out. Okay, this is for the nebulizer therapy. When you do not use, when you finish the nebulizer function, nebulizer therapy, remove the tube and loose the nebulizer outlet part until no air comes out, and then the oxygen will be work. So you can continue to take the oxygen. Okay, for due part, I will not operate here because the time limited. And there is one thing I need to tell you. You need to pay attention that. So it's a two flow meter and 2 oxygen outlets, and also 2 humidifier bottles. And this for one, and this is for another one. And when 2 patients use the machine at the same time, be careful because it's a 5-liter machine, which means the total liters should be 5. If you turn the front flow meter to 3, then the side one should be to 2 or below 2. So the total liter is no more than 5 liters. So this machine can work normal. If the total liter is more than 5 liters, the machine will alarm, because if you set it 6, 7, or 8, it will be the oxygen purity will be low, because it's just a 5 liter machine. So this point you need to pay attention. Okay, I'll stop this machine. And for the last step, I would like to tell several very important things. So no matter for 3, 5, 8, and 10 liter our oxygen concentrator, they all can use 24 hours, 7 days. And the oxygen purity is from 90 to 96%, which means medical grade, which is very good for treatment. And also we provide 2 years warranty. And we can provide you a service manual and also videos for assemble and disassemble the parts, so you can perform maintenance. And we can also support you by email or Zoom meeting to solve any problem you meet. So by order our oxygen concentrator, you have no things to worry about. So that's what I want to tell you. Okay, that's so much for today, and thanks for watching. So if you are like any of our models, welcome to order from Alibaba, and thanks for watching again. Have a nice day.
结束了。